In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a backup copy in QuickBooks Online. Understanding how to do this is crucial for anyone who wants to ensure their financial data is safe and recoverable. This process will guide you through restoring previous versions of your data, whether you need to retrieve information lost due to an accidental deletion, or you just want to access historical data for review. So, let's dive into the steps. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the gear icon. This little icon is your gateway to a host of QuickBooks Online settings and features. Clicking on the gear icon brings down a menu that offers various options, all designed to help manage your account more effectively. From the drop-down, look for the option labeled Backup Company. Selecting this ensures you're entering the correct section dedicated to handling your company's backup data. QuickBooks Online's backup service is a powerful tool, offering peace of mind by consistently saving snapshots of your financial records over time. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section, as it can be a real lifesaver if something unexpected happens to your current data. Once you're in the backup section, you'll be presented with a detailed list of all your backup copies. This list is essentially a chronological archive of your data backups. Each entry in this list is typically tagged with a date, allowing you to identify exactly when it was created. Having this detailed timeline at your disposal ensures that you can easily select the version you need, precisely pinpointing moments in your financial history that you can revisit whenever necessary. To restore any of these backups, simply locate the specific backup copy you wish to restore from the list provided. You might find it helpful to note the different dates and times to ensure you're selecting the correct version. Once you've found the version you want, click on the Restore button positioned next to it. This will initiate the restoration process, seamlessly placing the selected backup copy back into your account. Ensure that you choose accurately, as this action will revert your current state to the backup selected, overwriting any subsequent changes made since that backup was created. And there you have it. Restoring a backup in QuickBooks Online can be boiled down to these straightforward steps. With this knowledge, you can rest easy knowing that you can quickly and efficiently revert to a previous state should the need ever arise. Keep this process in mind and ensure that your data remains as secure and reliable as ever. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.